Hello everybody. Now we have our doorbell here, a hexagon screwdriver and 4 batteries. And now we begin to set it up. To take off the cover, twist the hexagon screw, input 4 batteries, putting all the things back to the original state and have a quick reset to make sure the easier configuration. But please don't worry, after your configuration, the reset button will be inactivated to avoid any naughty reset your bell easily. Turn on your Bluetooth function. One short press for first configuration. When you see the red light flashing, go for next step. The app will find the bell automatically, and you can just follow the instruction. And enter your Wi-Fi password. If the blue light flashing, that means the Wi-Fi configuration starts. After configuration successfully, you can view your bell at any time, anywhere, as long as it connects to a Wi-Fi. Let's make a simple test by fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even in battery power, we can see the connection is pretty good still. And the bell will still ringing even you close the app. The video doorbell will have 10 seconds recording every time when there is a guest coming. If you can't pick the phone and miss a call, or if you wonder who is the kid your house bell every day, you can find all the video from history and check the playback. Thanks for watching. Share if you like this bell. Thank you.